Hi, it's time to clean our pipes again. In order to get a beautiful, smooth, lined pipe, you first have to clean it. Nuflow is now supplying cases with 12 balls or different cutters or reinstatement tools or hole saws in boxes. In the box are 12 of the critical cutting balls that you need. If you have a close-up look, this cast iron pipe has already been lined with a blue liner inside. This ball, if you have a close-up look at this ball, you'll see that the ball is smooth on the cylinder and it is completely different to this ball that is completely round. This ball that I'm taking out of the box, if I can get it undone, is semi-smooth. So you'll see the belly of the ball is not completely as aggressive as this ball. This particular one will not fit inside the cast iron because the liner is stopping it. This is also 4-inch, but it will fit in beautifully because PVC ID is different to cast iron ID in South Africa. And so you need to have a different cylinder. Also, the smooth edge, if you look at on the close-up shot of the smooth lining or the smooth finish of the cylinder, will not damage the liner when it travels along it. However, if you put an aggressive ball like this in there, you're going to do some serious damage. Now let's put our cell phone off so we can continue speaking to you. One of the nicest ways of cleaning this pipe is with the fingers. Now these fingers are centrifugal fingers, and from the centrifugal force the fingers open and the blades are sharp on the outside. So it's the outside of the blade that actually scours the pipe as it travels through the pipe. We've got knuckle joints to help these fingers get around 90-degree bends. We've also got smaller fingers and larger fingers. We've got 6-inch fingers, we've got a whole array of fingers, and fingers even with tungsten carbide tips welded on the edge of the fingers. Before you can use a finger, if you're going to reinstate and reopen a pipe that you've lined, you need to punch a hole, and if you have a nice close-up shot of that a step cutter, then you'll see that'll first puncture the hole, and then the fingers will come in afterwards, and as they get into the hole, you can open up your revs of the machine. All of this is air powered, pneumatically powered. It's very important at very, very high revs, much higher revs than a normal drain cleaner. We do not sell drain cleaning equipment. We only sell these products to our lining guys. This is specifically for lining. You get a box of different hole saw blades. The center blade, if you can get a close-up shot of that, is slightly higher than the outer blade, so that if I'm putting this on the table, the outside blade is actually not touching it, because you want, it's almost like a punch, a guide hole saw in the middle. So there you have it. You'll have all different sizes in these cases, all ready to rock and roll. And so you can pack up your cases, off to site. Thank you.